हमारे बीच बात मत करो.
Don't talk between us. Don't talk between us.
मैं रास्ते में हूँ.
I am on the way. I am on the way.
क्या ये तुम्हारा है?
Is it yours? Is it yours?
तुम बहुत सुस्त हो.
You are so lazy. You are so lazy.
क्या आप फारिग हैं?
Are you free? Are you free?
किसने मुझे बताया?
He told me. He told me.
जागते रहना.
Stay up. Stay up.
कुछ गड़बड़ है.
Something is wrong. Something is wrong.
ना मत कहो.
Don't say no. Don't say no.
मैं जाने वाला हूँ.
I'm about to go. I'm about to go.
बैठे रही.
Remain seated. Remain seated.
किसी का ध्यान नहीं जाएगा.
Nobody will notice. Nobody will notice.
आप कितने बदतमीज हैं.
How rude you are. How rude you are.
सवाल उछल रहे हैं.
Questions are tumbling out. Questions are tumbling out.
तुम मेरे लिए खास हो.
You are special to me. You are special to me.
बाई मड़ो.
Turn left. Turn left.
कभी वापस मत आना.
Don't ever come back. Don't ever come back.
मैं वहाँ जाऊँगा.
I will go there. I will go there.
झटपट चाय बना लो.
Make tea instantly. Make tea instantly.
झांको मत.
Don't peep. Don't peep.
मेरी राय में.
In my opinion. In my opinion.
आगे देखो.
Look ahead. Look ahead.
गुज़रा वक्त भूल जाओ. अपना माज़ी भूल जाओ.
Forget your past. Forget your past.
आपकी बारी है.
It's your turn. It's your turn.
क्या तुम पागल हो?
Are you mad? Are you mad?
तुमने क्या किया है?
What have you done? What have you done?
मैंने कुछ नहीं किया.
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
आने वाले वक्त पर. मुस्तकबिल पर ध्यान दे.
Focus on future. Focus on future.
डर गए क्या?
Are you scared? Are you scared?
वो हमेशा भूल जाता है.
He always forget. He always forget.
मैंने ये तुम्हारे लिए किया.
I did it for you. I did it for you.
उसे अपने पास रखो.
Keep it with you. Keep it with you.
क्या तुमने कोशिश की?
Did you try? Did you try?
मुझे घर छोड़ दो.
Drop me home. Drop me home.
उसे गाली मत दो.
Don't abuse him. Don't abuse him.
उसे यहाँ रहने दो.
Let it here. Let it here.
वो बड़ा भाई है.
He is elder brother. He is elder brother.
आप कर सकते हैं.
You can do. You can do.
मैं भूलने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ.
I'm trying to forget. I'm trying to forget.
मैं आपकी इज्जत करता हूँ.
I respect you. I respect you.